Hey, what's up, Dabsquad? I'm DV. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Toshiba Satellite 2535 CDS, packing a 300 MHz Pentium MMX CPU, 96 megabytes of RAM, and a 4.2 gigabyte hard disk. This is a powerful notebook that is actually quite small compared to something like my regular laptop. However, calling it powerful is an overstatement today, where we live in a world of 4 to 5 gigahertz clock speeds. Although for 1998, it was extremely powerful. It is comparable to the Windows 98 machine, which has a 300 MHz Pentium 2. However, I'm not all that sure what the difference is, but that can wait for another video. This notebook is quite feature-packed for this time. Now, this computer isn't as good as you may think, because it's only got a resolution of 800 by 600. Yeah, look at that beautiful display right there. So yeah, it only has a resolution of 800 by 600 and a dual scan super twisted dynamic display, or DSTN as the abbreviation. DSTN, STN, and TN displays all use a passive matrix form of screen. I don't know. It's passive matrix, meaning that it updates the entire display at once, and not just pixels that need to be changed, which is different from an active display because they don't change the things directly. It scans like a TV. So I don't know how this thing is gonna film. Anyway, so if you leave your screen on your desktop and walk away, it won't constantly refresh if it was a TFT display. This is not a TFT display because there's two ways you can tell that is an STN display besides looking at it, just looking on like an eBay listing or something. Or really, it's just one way, and that is if it has a contrast knob. Let's unplug this for a second. Now, on the side of the display right here, you see this little wheel? It has like this raised plastic and then deepened plastic. That is a contrast symbol. That means that is the contrast control, and it also just kind of controls the brightness. This particular computer does not have a brightness control, and as I try to plug this into the back here, can I even get this in there? That is what she said. Oh, come here. Okay. As I can stop crushing these floppy disks and actually get this thing to go in. There we go. This thing's actually pretty mint. Anyway. It may sound worse, but it's not, because with passive matrix displays, it does not update the pixel in there. It puts the new image on top and lets the old one fade away. And dual scan displays are worse than single scan or just super twisted displays, because dual scan, you'll be able to see it in the video. There's two parts of the display where it scans. It's not one whole continuous sweep, it's two sweeps simultaneously. Or it's two sweeps simultaneously from the top to bottom, but there's two sweeps on the display at the same time, running simultaneously. And that will lead to screen tearing and all that. Anyway, so some TN displays, such as twisted pneumatic TN, super twisted is STN, and yada yada yada. Anyway, the backlit IBM 5140 displays, which have blue electroluminescent backlight, that has it has a brightness control, and some older computers like a Compaq will have that too. Like some older Compaqs, like the beige case Compaqs. I would have liked to get one of those, but they didn't have all the features I wanted in them. They either didn't have like a CD drive, or they didn't have a mouse, or they didn't have a sound, or they didn't have the right processor. And it's like, I was really looking for something that had a beefy processor inside it, like with the Pentium MMX, because Those processors are actually really good, and if I can actually adjust the camera here, hold on one second, it is definitely not level. That isn't either. I don't know. I'll leave it for right now because I don't. It's a video. It's a YouTube video. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. No. Anyway, and early color displays had crappy color quality as well. That kind of got better with more modern displays, but they still have a lot of washed out color compared to TFT displays. But you know what? I don't particularly care as long as it shows me an image. I'm fine. They also have a lot of backlight bleed through, which is going to be terrible to film because it's like the corners of the display is going to be brighter than the center of the display, and it's because it uses a fluorescent backlight. It uses like a fluorescent square light, and it has a tinfoil sheet in the back, so that way it goes through that, and then it'll bounce, and then it'll allow the light to bounce around. And I don't know. It's not the best kind of display, but whatever, doesn't matter. Also, since the image fades, it doesn't update automatically. Since it just fades, that means that things like moving your mouse around is going to cause the mouse to get lost. And while pointer trails do exist, I would recommend anybody who is buying a old computer, unless if you want to use the black mouse cursor, please don't buy an STN display. You won't have the best time with it. Also, if it's like STN display or DSTN or TN display, any passive matrix display, if that's the only option you have, like for like the IBM did not make TFT displays for the 5140, or some early laptops like the Grid or the Toshiba 286 or something. They're not gonna have. They didn't have TFT displays back then. They either had CRTs or STN LCDs or TN LCDs. Any twisted pneumatic variant. So, yeah. Anyway, we're probably gonna go ahead and get into this before I get carried away with all this blabbing and yeah, blah blah blah. So, what I have with me here is I have first of all, I have the emergency boot disk from Windows 98. I'm going to copy the config or not copy the config but I'm going to copy the CD drivers so we get the CD drive to work in DOS. I do have DOS diskettes here. No, I am not the one who copied these. Don't yell at me. And I have a CD, which has been written with Windows 95 build 456, just like you guys told me in the poll what you wanted me to do. So, we are going to go ahead and get this thing going here. So, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on here really quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is going to be wonderful to film. Oh, yeah. That is going to be just the best thing to film, like, ever. And insert system disk and drive, press any key when ready. There is a lot of glare. I'm gonna need to put this down so you guys can actually even see the display. Here we go. Press any key when ready. So, this hard disk has been formatted, I guess. So we're gonna really quickly allocate it and format it. Oh yeah, that is going to be absolutely freaking wonderful to film. It is not looking the best. Here, hold on one second. Let me go ahead and see how much space I got. Alright. So, yeah, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and configure unallocated disk space. Toshiba. And we are starting MS-DOS again. I think it's gonna excuse the disc squeaking in the background. I don't know what my computer's doing. It's probably doing like a virus scan or a defragment or something. Anyway, so we are now going to format. This is going to take a while. Anyway, this computer is actually uh, it's a little bit meh on the period correctness for this. It likes to get stuck here. There's a little bit of a bad spot that was flagged by ScanDisk. Yeah. So I am planning on also installing Windows NT alongside Windows 95. Not in this video. I'm probably not going to make a video on it. I'm probably just going to go ahead and do it because I don't want to be like Druaga1, where I make a video and then I spend 30 minutes trying to figure out how the heck to do this. This is supposed to just be simple, quick and fast, and then I'll show you around some of the software. Oh, okay. I need to get more floppy disks. God dang it. You know what? I can just erase this one. I don't really need a Windows 98 boot disk. So I can just go ahead and just like erase this one. And then we'll install Microsoft Plus from there. Speaking of that, I might try and get this thing to go on the internet. Not right now, but again in a later video with Microsoft Plus. And I'm not going to install full Microsoft Plus because you're installing a beta build of Windows. You can't install full Microsoft Plus on a beta build of Windows. You're going to have to install a beta version of Microsoft Plus, which I have. So, yeah, that's going to be fun. Waiting for floppy to write. It's going to be absolutely freaking amazing. Alright. So, yeah. Disk 2, Disk 3, version 6.22, which is what I would go for anyway if I had to write my crap separately like that. So, first of all, though, I actually do have another floppy disk, so I don't need to write over this one, since I got this one. This is just another 1.44 megabyte floppy drive. It says Harvard Graphics. I don't know what that means, but I don't know what Harvard Graphics is. It's probably some like drawing program or something, or Harvard Graphics. I don't know if that's referring to like the college or what, and that got bumped. Probably by me. Oh yeah, you can see the on the video, you can see where the dual scan line is. Alright, so since there is actually glare on that, oh yeah, there's some light coming in from there. I might actually have to do this in the dark because I don't think it's coming in from the window. The window is actually blocking it pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this off. Oh yeah, that is good. Oh, never mind. It's just the viewing angle. Okay, it's just the viewing angle. It's not glare. Okay, so I can just turn this back on. If it's not the viewing angle, or if it's not the speaking of viewing angles, it looks inverted when you look at it from certain areas. It looks inverted. We're gonna go ahead and put this down more. Oh, yep, that seemed to fix it. Okay. The issue is, am I gonna be able to see what the frick I'm doing on the display? Oh, that's gonna be another thing. Okay. Yep. Alright. Oh, and by the way, I have already preloaded all the drivers onto the CD. So when you get into Windows, they'll be there. I didn't need to clean the CD. There we go. Just clean off some fingerprints and all that, and This CD is a little bit scratched, just a little tiny bit. Well, technically, like about half of them are anyway. But yeah, it is what it is. Formatting drive C. Let's see how far I can put it up. Oh yeah, no, I can't put it up at all. Okay, I can actually see that just fine now, so that's actually good. This is actually filming pretty well. And, except for all this patterning on here, that's not a video effect, that's just how this, thing is. That actually does have the correct date. So, CDOS. Alright, okay. Okay, it's done. So we have no MSAV, or no M-Wave, no, V-Safe. Okay, that's better than I thought it was going to turn out. It's not perfect by any means. Oh, did you hear that floppy drive? Oh, that is good. Right, HiMem is testing extended memory. This thing, again, does have 96 megabytes. This is going to take a little bit. What the frick? Why did I just get pinged in Discord? What? What is going on? What? What? Okay, I'm trying to deal with people on the internet and do a YouTube video at the same time. Go ahead and a:/w. ASPCD. 2 dot sys colon backslash DOS. Okay, okay. Where's Oak CD-ROM? You know what? All you need to do is copy Oak CD-ROM. Okay, so copy Oak CD-ROM dot sys c colon backslash DOS. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just write the disk. I'm just gonna go ahead and write the disk. I'm gonna go ahead and write this disk, because it don't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and just write the disk, write the CD-ROM, installer, and do it just that way, because I don't have time to deal with this. This is going in here. Right, setup complete. Go ahead, take that out of here. Control delete. People are funny. People are funny. Okay, so I have started OK there, bud, on the internet. I have started OK there, bud, on the internet, and now people are saying it like crazy. And now one person's calling themselves DV Junior. Okay, okay, okay. I love dealing with people on the internet. It's funny. Holy frick, hi, ma'am. Wake me. Oh, hey, it actually loaded. Oh, my. Okay. We are gonna go ahead, pop that out. Go in here. Yes! Okay. 995. Set. Up. Here we go. Okay. Continue. Oh frick, I need a Windows 3.1 install disk. Okay. Um, yes, I agree, the Microsoft license agreement. Upgrade check. Library. 95. See this. Okay, that's done. Let's just try to protect it first. Locate. A:. Okay. That's all I needed to do. Okay. Next, collecting information about your computer. See Windows. Checking for installed components. It needs to do that. 95 upgrade. 95A. Oh, I can just type in all zeros. Okay, well, that works. There should be 216,595s. No, I don't know. I don't matter. Typical portable compact. Holy frick, this iPod is hot. Custom. Holy frick, I can't even see the mouse. Sorry if I'm blocking everything here. DV. Next, CD key. Here. You want set up to look for hardware devices. Oh! Oops. Okay, analyzing your computer. I do not have that yet, but I don't have a network card. But I do have a SIM card. Next. Oh my, that sound is so nostalgic. That clicking. If you wanted to see that clicking on Windows, on the Windows 98 machine, oh, that would sound super good. Oh, you know how good that would sound? Oh, I don't want to delete that though, but I do need to get another one of those hard drives just to put it in this. Oh, I should! Or even get something older. Well, no. This is actually the hard disk that came with the computer. So, yeah. I don't know. It's less loud than the compact ones. It's still a Fujitsu, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Where did I put the hard disk? Here it is. No, it's not a Fujitsu. It's an IBM. I have two of these hard drives. This one has Windows 98 dual booted with or Windows 2000 dual booted with Windows 98 on it, and I'm not erasing it because it's got Office on it. It's got a crap ton of thingies on it. Oh God, that sounds good. Microsoft Mail. We're not gonna install any of that yet. Windows comes with no accessibility options. We're going to install Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Fax. What is the accessibility options? Change the keyboard sound, display, and mouse behavior. Yeah, we'll add that. Sight impaired. I have bad eyes. I can't see that well. It's only we're gonna install all of the components. Unfortunately, this does not include Windows, or not Windows, but FAT32 support, so we only have 2,000 megabytes free. But this only is going to take 74 megabytes. Next. The following network components will be installed. Windows logon, primary network logon. Add client. Add Microsoft client for Microsoft networks. Existing Indus 2 driver. Okay. Add TCP over IP. I need to add TCP over IP. Again, we're going to go to Microsoft, add TCP over IP. Cancel. 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 Okay. Next. Wait, yeah, we'll continue. DV work group, the Windows 95 machine. I can't type with one hand. Here, we'll just add another one as Cat Fat. What's that? We'll just make another computer named Cat Fat. I've got plenty of those named that already. Display chips and technologies super VGA. Holy frig, it detected it! Oh! Oh, it detected our chips and technology! Holy frick! Look at this! You see that? It detected the chips and technology super VGA! Oh! 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 Oh, yes. 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 It has detected our chips and technology! Monitor. User interface. No, I don't want to start this. I don't know. Okay, preparing to copy files. We're going to copy our files now. Oh, it's completely hard disk based. It doesn't need this. It doesn't even need the CD. It literally does not even need the CD. Oh, there it goes. There's the CD. Oh yeah, this is mint right here. I can't even barely see this. It don't even matter anyway. It's on a good contrast. The iPod can see it. It dragged it left. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. Oh, yep, 99%. Oh, 98%. 99%. There it goes. Okay, finish. It's checking to see if the CD is bootable. Oh, starting Windows 95. Oh, yeah, getting Windows 95 to run. Or, for the first time. Okay. You're gonna password protect my computer. I didn't want to do that. Caps lock on? No, it's not. Oh my. People are. Okay. Programs on the start menu. Is gonna load that now. Time zone. Why is it Pacific time? Central time. Automatically adjust clock for daylight savings. Apply. Configuring Microsoft Exchange. Change nickname. I'm gonna change my name here. I don't want to do anything with Microsoft Exchange now. I'll do it later. I just installed it so I could have the icon on the desktop. Nope, I'm not doing that. There we go. It is restarting the computer. Toshiba. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to move the display because I want to actually be able to see here. Windows 95 is now finalizing for your computer. Alright, welcome to Windows 95. properties, settings, super VGA, change display type. Oh, I might need to change my monitor. Yeah, change my monitor. Laptop display panel 800 by 600. 16 color. Only 256 color, so we can have 256 color at 800 by 600. Apply. I don't want to restart my computer right now. What I'm going to do actually first is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to extract all that. Okay. Whoa, why is it in list? Why is it in list? Oh, is my arm like blocking it? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to situate myself here. Here we go. Here we go. This is better. This is better. Okay. Windows 95 or my 6. If it's a CD Expo, it doesn't matter. I need the Toshiba first. Yeah, boy. Okay. First thing we need is the video Windows 95. Unzip. Yeah, okay. You know how to do this then. Okay, so we just need to install the drivers. Infrared. Let's see if this thing even has an infrared support. I actually want to know this though. It's a modem. In the folder, choose yes to install the driver and run toaster.exe. Okay, after files are extracted, click next on the select not use com and click yes on okay. System reboot. Utilities, Toshiba utilities. Setup. Welcome to Toshiba utility setup. Okay. Next. No. I will restart my computer later. Okay, and PCMCIA, which should just work. And the USB drivers. USB supplement for Windows 95. This actually might not run on here. OPK. 950B. 950B, yeah, we're gonna have to copy that DOS driver over. Finding a DOS driver shouldn't be that hard. It's just gonna be a matter of it needs 950B. We're running 456. Not the most effective use of our time, but chips DSP. I don't know what the frick chips DSP is, but gamma CRT. Oh, that's 16 colors. It doesn't like our 16 colors. Where is my info? chips95.inf. It's chips95.inf. Read me. The adapter. Okay. Properties, settings, change display type. I have browse. C Windows, or no, not even Windows, just C. And then it's going to be down here in video Windows 95, chips 95 inf. Okay. Chips and Technologies Accelerator, new. Monitors Energy Star compliant. We're just going to do Super VGA 800 by 600. Although laptop, actually no, we're going to keep it as laptop display types because it's laptop display types. It is a laptop display panel. High color. Yeah, we're going to have our high color soon. First, I also want to install the sound, and I want to change it to mouse so that way I can actually see it. Settings, control panel, mouse, motion, should be a motion, show pointer tails, yeah, apply pointers, scheme, animated hourglass, Windows standard. Do we not have any more cursors? Do we not have any more cursors? We do not have any more cursors. Okay. I just want the black one. I mean, I guess animated hourglasses. Oh, it's my phone. That's what. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and hit apply. That's hopefully pointer trails will help to outline my mouse. You just gotta move it slow. Anyway, Microsoft Mail Post Office, Toshiba Services. Toshiba Services enable power off its software shutdown service. Hotkey. Enable launching internet browser. Microsoft CD player. Apparently, you can have the CD player. Critical stop. Default sound. Asterisk. Means we need to have the chimes. Default sound is the ding. We do not have any thingies yet. Program error question. We don't need it to be that. We need it to be the ding. And starting Windows needs to be the Microsoft sound. Surprisingly, they didn't actually capitalize it. That's actually a little bit surprising. My computer MS-DOS 6. Video audio TOS. Here it is. Audio TOS. Disk 1. Soninst. Starting to remove Yamaha. So SA sound. Oh, uninst. That's what it is. It's uninst. Okay. README. Machines with. Oh, device manager. We need to go to device manager. Okay. Here. 640 by 480 is not a lot of screen real estate. It is absolutely not. Yep. Device manager. Other devices. LPL3, SA3. Yeah. Driver. Change driver. This is going to be a select hardware type. This is going to be a sound, video, and game controllers. It's going to be a sound driver. Have disk. Trying to check the floppy drive. C, audio TOS, disk 1, sassound.inf. Okay. And, okay. Okay. Disk 2. Alright. To continue running Windows, press yeah. Okay. It didn't particularly like that driver, but it did install it. It might just want me to restart the computer. It didn't say anything about having a Windows 3.x, although a Windows 3 driver probably would have been better, considering that this is not 950. This is definitely not 950. This is 456. But you know what? I like 456. I think it is pretty good. Command. Oh, I need to get my freaking image onto here. That means I need to get my USB flash drive and format it with the Windows 98 machine. Actually, I can't even do that. It's not gonna work. Okay, well, whatever. It don't matter. I can save it as a JPEG and all that. USB SUP IR Win95. Let's take a look at the IR toaster. This will install Toshiba IR. IR W95. Yep. Next. Pretty sure only COM1 is Alright, I think we can safely restart my computer now. Oh great. It doesn't like the drivers. We might need to have new drivers for Windows 3. I can actually go get those right now. Let's just let it boot first and see if it'll do the drivers. If not, I will grab Windows 3 drivers for the here I can go ahead and history, work home, Windows 3.x. We might need to use the old sound driver. Windows 3 sound driver might actually work better. I wouldn't actually be surprised if the Windows 3 sound driver will work better. Oh, audio rack application for OPL3 sax. Okay, there's no drivers for Windows 3. Okay, Yamaha driver alert, and it's just like, what is this? OPL3 SA driver alert. Hit OK, it's gonna blue screen. Hit OK. Invalid VXD. Invalid VXD. Unknown device. What is unknown device? Plug and play monitor. Visa. It's a Visa monitor. Aw, is there really no sound? Properties. Settings. Close. Let's up our 1280 by 1024. No, we only want. No. Properties. Settings. We want our high color at 800 by 600. Yes. Oh, that is better. Oh, yeah, that is better. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. That is much better. Power. Advanced on AC power. It is on AC power. Okay. Show suspend on start menu. I can suspend this. Here, let's go ahead and let's take a look at multimedia. SE playback or SA playback. System. Device manager. It might not like the device manager. Creative Labs Sound Blaster Pro. There's no Sound Blaster Pro. Yamaha OPL3. This device is working properly. It doesn't like the OPL3. It doesn't like the driver. It does not like the driver. Yamaha OPL3 sax. OPL3 sax. We might actually let me go look. Here. PL3 sax. Windows 3.1 driver. Windows 95, 98 OPL sax 3 drivers. What version of the driver do we even have? 4000 CDS, 4000 CDT. Okay, it doesn't really like it. SAX, OPL3 sax. Does it? It doesn't like our OPL3 sax. Here. Okay, well, let's just try playing anything through there. It might need, I don't know why the sound isn't working. I would love to have the sound working right now. It's an OPL3 sax. Let's just go to MS-DOS. 6, actually, no. We do need to go to the control panel, which is right here. Sounds. Critical stop. Your sound card may be in use. Yeah, it doesn't want to play it. It does not like our OPL3 SA resources. Is there any conflict? Any conflicting resources? Conflicting device list used by Creative Sound Blaster. Sound Blaster conflicts with the follow. No devices are conflicting. 0530, 0537. Next one down is Chips and Technologies Accelerator. That, and then 03302, 0331. Go down. Okay, that. Yes, I want to continue. So we have, it might be conflicting, or your Windows configuration is invalid. You run the Windows Setup program again to correct this problem. Invalid to device 39EA service 3. Invalid VXD dynamic link call. Yeah, okay, so we're just going to continue. Please wait while your computer shuts down. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Close that. Can close that. No, that, and that too. Just key R. Open command scan rig restore. No scan rig. CD dot dot dir cd command dir. Is there a scan rig? No scan rig. Okay. So that means we are going to need the Windows 98 machine, and we're going to need the scan rig tool. And we need to restart the registry. Oops. Second time it's happened today. Third time it's happened today. Damn. Why does this happen? Yeah. Here we go. So I am going to go ahead and just turn this on here. And copy over some files. Ooh, I forgot about that. Oh. Okay, hopefully none of my files on this USB flash drive are over 4 gigabytes. I don't think there is any that are, but I'm gonna need to go ahead and format it as that. So I'm gonna need to go ahead and format it. Or, oh yeah, my little new one. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to load here. Compact. We're just gonna let this sit here for a second. Guess I'll plug this in. Oops. It does that. Yeah, there we go. So it looks like it's screwed with the registry. So we're gonna let this thing run Windows 98. Okay. While we're waiting for this, I'm going to go ahead and install Microsoft Plus. So, I'm going to need this floppy disk right here. I'm going to need to unwrite protect it, plug it in, and go to Windows 95, Microsoft Plus for Windows 95 Beta, 4.40. What? Action, tools, disk control. Okay, I felt that. Like, Microsoft Registry. Okay. That's a coincidence. It found an error in the registry on the Windows 98 machine and it auto ran, the thingy. I was hearing the CD drive click like crazy and I'm like, why is it doing that? Oh, frick, I forgot to hit the OK button here. Here we go. That's gonna write now. Okay, that's weird. Okay, that's done. So, we're gonna go ahead and start this. Rectangle. Stick it in here. MS-DOS? No, I wanted to open the floppy drive. Starting Plus for Windows 95 setup. Oh yeah, I don't want to kneel on my phone. Okay. Focus on the display. I want to show what I'm doing here. There we go. Microsoft Plus for Windows 95. Welcome to Microsoft Plus installation program. Okay. Oh, I need to actually move this out of the way of the floppy drive. Meaning it's going to need to sit like that. Sorry for the angle. Sorry for the angle. I'm going to need to go ahead and now I need to write to disk 2. Open tools, write floppy disk image file. Only 1.44 megabytes can be written to a floppy disk. Okay, let's open this cabinet file. This should be able to load everything onto the freaking cabinet file. Sage.vxd, sage.dll, sage.exe. There's a sage in here. Okay, that's kind of funny. Anyway, organize. Can we extract this from the cabinet? We can. Here, let's extract. To DB, documents, desktop, Windows 95, Microsoft Plus for Windows 95 beta, extract. So we're just going to extract it there. There's a P for this down. Okay. Okay. Good thing that was one of the empty folders. That was one of the empty folders. Oh, never mind. No, it wasn't. Okay. These two can go into the floppy disk drive. Wait. What's on here? Still loading. Meanwhile, okay. Okay, that's going to take a little bit. Actually, we can just, wait, no, we do need the +2.cabinet. 1.63 megabytes. Can we add this to another cabinet? No, we can't put this on the disk. How am I going to do this? I can fit it on the disk. Modified 4/27, 1995. Oh, they use DMF. They use DMF floppies. That's how they were able to. You can't write these separately. Okay. We're going to have to create a partition. A 2 gigabyte fat partition. and copy all the plus files over from it. Yeah, this could be fun. Or we could just make a plus CD, although I don't really want to burn all that stuff. Format is fat for me too. Alright, that's gonna be sitting there for a while. This is gonna be sitting here for a while. It's been creating the file system for the past long time. That's gonna take like another at least 10 minutes. Or not 10 minutes, but a little while. As you drive A, it needs to be in drive A. It's a machine gun. Not completed successfully. Anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and attempt to copy over everything. After that's done with that, we're gonna see if we can plug in a USB to it, because we installed the... No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Frick, I need that! That's what I need, is that. Okay. Pin in here. Holy frick. Where's the pin in here? What is it? USB 2.0 demo. License. A single user license. Oh, you need to actually pay for that? Holy frick, okay. USB. USB, and DOS drivers.zip. Extract all files to the floppy disk. We're going to extract it to the floppy disk. Computer extract. Ooh, that smells like macaroni and cheese. Okay. So, in config.sys, we will need to add a, so path equals c:\DOS 2. So, here, let's just go ahead and, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. nj32disk.sys. We're going to need to copy this to c:\\, what is it called? c:\DOS. Paste. And USB ASPI2, copy, paste. Where's path? Path must be an autoexec.bat. Device equals c:\DOS /AS or USB ASPI2 .sys. .sys and then device equals nj32disk.sys. / nj32disk.sys. Yep. And we can go ahead and save that, and then you're going to close all this out so I can run it from the USB flash drive. Start, shut down to restart the computer. Yep. didn't like that, I don't think. Alright. Okay. Let's plug this in and see if it... See if it recognizes it. Nope. It does not like it. Okay. So, 2 driver. Okay. SB2 ASPI not says. Okay, so PI manager for USB mass storage. ASPI manager for USB mass storage. Universal driver. It's a universal driver, so you might actually need to edit or I can fix this here. I don't know if that's OH or UHCI. That is probably UHCI. We'll try both. So /B/U. Here, we're gonna go ahead and try that again. Let's key in R. Command A colon copy A colon backslash wait a minute. It just said ASPI manager not installed and not oh, maybe it needs to be plugged in when you start the computer. That would actually make sense. But first SB ASPI dot sys C colon backslash DOS or whatever. I'll deal with it in a second. Shut down. Restart the computer. Yes. Yes, I understand there's a issue with the freaking driver. Or not the driver, but yes, the driver. Okay. May decrease your system's No, I don't want a performance warning. But removable disk D. Okay, it's there. Let's see if we can put anything on the drive. Let's just try, 400 megabytes, that should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna need to create like a 2 gigabyte, or not even 2 gigabyte, but like a 100 megabyte fat partition on that drive. So let's go start. Disk part. Yes. Try this part here. Let's just. Size 128. It's in megabytes or kilobytes? In megabytes. So yeah. Alright, I got the sound driver installed and working, and now what we're gonna do, so we're gonna see how long it takes to boot up here. First, let me eject the CD. Wait, actually. Okay. Good, it doesn't seem to do anything, so. Or have any effect on it. Get rid of that. 3, 2, go away. 3, 2, 1. I don't know, just let it. And then we'll let it go to the logon box. "31 seconds, plus or minus like half a second. So let's just say it was like 31 seconds. Let's just say it was 31 on the dot. So 31 seconds to boot? That's actually like really fast. Oh yeah, okay. So, I will go ahead and do I will install Plus off video, off camera. All right, we're back, and this time we're going to be installing Windows NT alongside Windows 95. So, what I'm going to do here right now is, first of all, we got to see, first of all, if this CD is bootable, and second of all, will it run alongside Windows 95 just fine? I expect the latter to go perfectly fine, because if you can dual boot Windows 2000 with Windows 98, you can dual boot Windows NT4 with Windows 95. It isn't going to be that hard. The only thing is the CD bootable? And yes, I already did copy over all the video drivers and the sound and all that. Hopefully the sound driver won't take 2 hours to work this time. So, yeah, with that, let's go ahead and get into this. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to want to turn it on, eject the CD. Eject the CD, I said. Oh, and it's booting Windows 95. I didn't want you to do that, but yeah, okay. Oh, anyway, that's at least like a good calibration for it to be in focus here. Okay. No, I don't want to run, I want to shut down. Cancel. Here, let's just... No, up, shut down. And turn it back on. In touch with tomorrow, Toshiba. Toshiba. You can pronounce it either way. You can pronounce it Toshiba or Toshiba, it don't matter. It's the same thing. Okay. Come on now, get her going now there, bud. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. So apparently the CD is bootable, which is good, I guess. So it's going to be much like the Windows XP setup then, and the Windows 2000. Or at least this piece of setup. This piece of setup is different than the rest of the setup, but still. Oh, that's going to get really annoying. Especially if I have to restart it and partition the drive accordingly. Oh, that is going to be so annoying. Oh my god, that will... Bleh. So technically, we could also install this on a Mac because it has PowerPC as well. The install CD has PowerPC support. So you could technically boot it off of a Mac. You just have to open firmware and boot it off device 9. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Windows NT, Win System Processor, 96 megabytes of memory, multi-processor kernel. It's NT version 4.0. I mean, I do have version 1141 if I really wanted to install version 1141. I don't know why I would do that, and somebody ping me on Discord. Let me go check that out. I don't know why I would do that in the first place. Install 1141. Well, actually, it kind of makes sense. Because like, I am doing beta crap like that. But, yeah. Okay, Windows NT setup before continuing to repair a damage to set up Windows NT. Yeah. Okay, enter. Gotta read through this whole thing. F8. I do agree. The above list. Microsoft Mouseport mouse. Microsoft's green buttons are. Well, it detects that, so it detects a mouse, so above list matches my computer. Unpartitioned space. To create a partition. 2079. New unformatted. Format it using FAT. I kind of want to transfer. I kind of want to have the transferability between the two operating systems. So we're gonna go ahead and use FAT. Delete at partition. And escape. L. C. 2047. So there's gonna be like 30 something megabytes unused. Yeah, 31 megabytes. That's not that big of a deal. We're already using the whole 4.2 gigabytes already, so there's 30 megabytes. That don't matter. Format using FAT. Oh god, this is gonna take a while. Oh god. Okay. Oh well, that's gonna be an issue. Actually, it might not. Oh dang it, we're gonna have to change the drive assignment. My USB flash drive will not want to work on drive D. Well, it is what it is. Yeah. So, I do want to kind of get this installed here. I said that in the video. I said in the video I probably wouldn't show this on camera, but you know what? I decided against it, and I would just because I wanted to. I don't know why. I just wanted to then. So, yeah, here we are, installing Windows NT on video. I wonder if this is gonna turn into another Juraga 1 style episode like the last one with me searching for the sound driver for like 10 minutes. Or 10 minutes, 2 hours! So this and the last one is gonna be both merged into a single video. Because I don't want to create two separate ones. Because I don't want to create two separate ones. Because I don't want to create two separate ones. Yeah. Okay. So, you know what would be awesome is if you could install 2 hard disks in here. There's plenty of actually, wait, no, there's not. There's a floppy disk in the way. But still, you know what? There'd probably be a perfect space to set one of these up. If not externally, you could probably fit it somewhere else. Although this laptop is extremely packed, so I don't think you'd be able to fit a second one. And yes, this one does have the caddy. With its classic pull-out handle design. Yeah, I don't think, so this is an IBM Travel Star Mini IDE. You could probably use this. I don't know. This has a copy of Windows 98 and a copy of Windows 2000 on it. And I'm not erasing that, so, who cares? It's a freaking hard disk, that I'm probably never gonna use. Actually, you could just swap them out. You could keep like 2 in like a holder or something, and you could have like just like 2 in like a holder, and you put like a piece of plastic over there that resembles the holes on this, and then you just plug it into that piece of plastic, and then and then it's like that's how it's mounted in there. It's like you got like 2 rail sliding spots, and then you got the plastic holes at the back, or you could just make it so that that plugs into the USB. No, that actually probably wouldn't work. Anyway, it don't matter. This thing, this hard disk probably would make something good use. But yeah, it's not getting erased. I don't know. That hard disk is pretty mint. Anyway, yeah. So what I am going to need to do is actually I need to go ahead and oh, you know, I wonder if Hover will run better on Windows NT than it does on Windows 95. Because whenever I play Hover, every single time, there's some point in the game where it just flat out crashes my keyboard, does not want to accept any keyboard input. It is the most annoying thing ever because then I have to restart it, and then when I go back to play the game, it don't work, and I want to play my Hover. So, yeah. Anyway. Oh, we're going to also need to make sure that we tell Windows NT Setup to install absolutely everything. And we're going to have to go back and make sure. So, yeah. Anyway, I wonder if we are going to use Windows 95 in, if it's going to preserve our MS-DOS and Windows 95 crap. Because it's like, it's installing to technically, it thinks it's a separate drive, but in reality, it's not. It's just actually, no, it doesn't even think it's a second drive because it says disk 0. That means it's the first disk on the bus. And so it's like disk 0 at ID 0. It's like disk 0. ID would be like for SCSI. That would change if you were using a SCSI. On bus 0, that would be like for each controller. So let's say you could attach 2 disks. Actually, you can attach 2 ID disks to each controller. Let's say you had 2 controllers in here, and you were installing this one to your third disk on your third disk on your 4 disk controllers, or on your 4 disk setup. If you were installing this, it would say disk 0 at ID 0 on bus 1 on a tappy. And it's like a tappy is like ATA parallel interface, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Oh, it finished. Okay. Checking drive D. This is gonna take a little bit. Okay. This is so copying crap. And after it restarts, so there is no floppy disk in the drive. Could make it go Nyan Cat. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. Or at least not right now. I might do it at the end. Just because it's Nyan Cat and I wanna get more. Actually, you know what? I could probably get more views if I put Nyan Cat. If I made a second Nyan Cat video, just with it pointing at the display with Nyan Cat on it. Oh my, that would probably double my view count. Oh, okay. Also remove any CDs from your CD-ROMs. Press enter to restart your computer. Now, hopefully this didn't destroy our Windows 95. Oh, no, it didn't. There it is. There it is. Yes. Okay. It didn't destroy our partition. Which I'm glad about that. But what I am going to want to do is I'm going to want to remove that VGA mode, because you're not going to use that. Actually, you might. But, oh, you know what? We do actually need this for drivers when you're finished installing. Oh, and it flickered. Yeah, it's flickering. Epilepsy, please look away. Oh, it's probably done flickering now, but I'll add a notice to the video. I'll add a notice to the video telling people with epilepsy to look away, because that was a little bit of flashing. So, and I'm pretty sure that somebody, there's gonna be, I am doing that. Windows NT setup. There isn't the flags. Oh, that voice crack. What happened to the flags? There's no flags. God dang it. You know, it might be that at the end. But there's no flags at the start like 1141. I don't know. I liked the flags. Typical. Custom. Next. Now, this actually, we're gonna name it Kai Cat Fat. I miss Kai Cat. Password, we're not gonna enter a password. No, do not create an emergency disk. Okay. Accessibility options. Copy all that. Windows messaging. So we do have our full install. Actually, except for multimedia, we need everything in multimedia. And, next. Installing Windows NT networking. We need to install networking. This computer will participate on the network. Do not connect this computer to the network at this time. I don't want a network right now. Finishing setup. There's no flags. Setup is configuring your computer to run Windows NT. I wanted the flag picture. Okay, so 1141 actually might have been a half decent choice here. Actually, you know what? That would actually probably work better than I think it would. But it probably wouldn't be happy. The drivers, it wouldn't probably be happy with the drivers. So, yeah, it wouldn't be happy with that. I know it wouldn't be. VGA compatible display adapter. Test. Okay. Yeah, I can see it just fine. It works. It works. Although I would like it to be, see the test bitmap properly? No, but actually, yeah. Let's test 800 by 600. Oh, that looks better. You can do 800 by 600 VGA? Yes, I saw the test bitmap properly. Okay. Okay. Setup is still configuring your computer to run Windows NT. And it's gotta download. Oh, it's gotta download the calculator. It's gotta do the calculator. Why can't I just wait for the CD to spin up all the way? Somebody goes fast. But yeah, no. Look at that. Look at how much it's copying. That's gonna take a little bit. It's gonna take longer than a Windows 95. See, actually, no. The Windows 95. I feel like Windows 95 took a lot. Well, no. With the combined time of this. Of this right here and the copying over from the CD, I think that would take more than the Windows 95 install took. But Windows NT is a very more sophisticated operating system than Windows 95 or 98 or Millennium Edition, because they all run on the same. It's like It's like 9X, Windows 9X, the Windows 90X. Windows 9X, the Windows 9X kernel kind of died a long time ago. Setting up Windows messaging. Updating shortcuts. Saving configuration. When is this going to get to here? Why does it need to save a configuration? Why don't I just restart? I don't know. Setup is removing temporarily. Restart computer. Okay, it is now restarting our computer. And we're going to start Windows NT. NT Detect Feature 4.0, checking hardware. Actually, I do need the CD still. I needed the CD, and I still need the CD, and everybody needs the CD. I need to install the thingamabobs, the drivers. I need to install OPL3 which is a pain. I install the chips and technologies, 69,000, and yeah, I gotta install some crap. This was 21 minutes long. Holy frick! Oh, there it is! Oh yeah, there she is right now. Oh yeah, suckers mint there, bud. Okay, Control Alt Delete, Administrator. There's no startup song. There's no background. What happened to the background? Internet Explorer. It's got the internet. It's got the internet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What version of Internet Explorer is this running? Is this one version 2? Thank you for using Internet Explorer. I bought Internet Explorer. Yep, it's version 2.0. Internet Explorer 2. And oh, what happened to the Windows logo? It's only brown and yellow. Holy. Okay. Yep. My computer. Oh, this looks different. This looks different. Actually, it doesn't look too different, but still. Explore. And Windows NT. Here's where all our drivers went. Chips. Where's the OEM setup? Install. Click the start button and settings and control panel. Where did my mouse go? There. Oh, you can't even see it? Okay. No. Okay, so, I'm pretty sure OEMsetup.inf is the file that we need. Oh, that looks so different. Oh, what was that CD? That CD kind of like... Oh, that sounded so bad. System. Here, let's go into our, device manager. Oh, hardware profiles. What's in startup shutdown? Oh. Write an event to the system log. User profiles, environment, performance. Where's the device manager? No, I don't want to start it or restart it. Frick, restarting it. Okay, I'm gonna need to pull this up here so that way I can actually see. So if you guys can't see anything at the top of the display, I apologize. Where is the device manager? Is it in? Is it if you right click on it? Where is it? It's not there. Maybe we should actually read the instructions. Okay. Alt enter. Not what I'm. Frig, it's beeping at me. There's my mouse. Display proper. Oh, frick. It's not in. Where's the device manager then? Control panel. Display. Plus. There's plus. Plus. Settings. Display type. Change. Oh, it's loading. There you go. And then half disk. Bros. Okay, my computer. E. Windows NT. T4O. OEM setup. Yeah, boy. Yes, I want to proceed. Yes, we've got our thingy. Now we need our sound. And where's my mouse? There it is. So I actually probably should go and change the cursor here. I'll do that when I restart it. Actually, I should probably do that on the Windows 95, the Windows 95 too. But let me go back to Windows NT. SNDN1. Okay. Unzip. 5 files unzipped. Click on the multimedia icon. There it is. So now start. Settings, control panel. Multimedia. Devices. Here it is. Audio devices. There are audio devices. Add unlisted or updated driver. And browse. Drives. C. Audio NT4. Oh, why is it extracted to C? Ingus. What does this mean by Ingus? Maybe it's just in C audio.nt4. Okay. OPL3 sound system. I guess that's it. It's been added. Don't restart now. We want to install the Toshiba utilities, but first, actually, you know what? We will restart. Shut down. Yeah, let's shut down the computer. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Okay, so hopefully the driver installed correctly and we can update the thingies. Hopefully our sound also installed correctly, but since we've got our chips, oh yep, there it is. Oh, look at that beautiful oh yeah, look at that beautiful color. Look at that beautiful full color. Is that actually, no, that looks like 256. Oh, oh, that sounded so good. That sounded so good. Oh yes, that sounds good. 65526 colors. Is it 1024 by 768? Test this. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. That is mint. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Yes, I seen the test bitmap. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so S251 NT4. Setup. Okay, so we are starting power management system. Okay, I guess we're installing power management. Next. Service pack 3. Well, we're only running Cancel anyway. Yes, we're only running Service Pack 1. Okay, well, I guess we're not having advanced utilities or anything. I guess we're gonna stick with. We're not gonna have it power management. We're gonna keep it like this. I guess. Accessories. Let's check out the games. Check out the games. Pinball, Minesweeper, Free Cell, and Solitaire. Okay. Well, this works, and that's good. It works. Oh, why is that? Oh, yeah, give me that analog. There we go. Oh, yeah, she's mint right there. No. Okay, seriously, though, I do need to change the mouse cursor. Where's the mouse? There's the mouse. Change the mouse. Pointer. Windows anime variations. What is this? Is this black? No. Conductor, dinosaur, hands 1, hands 2, old fashioned. Oh, this one. I used to use this one all the time. So here we go. Working in background. Let's change that actually to the old let's change that to the timer. Everyone had 0.0 after it. I don't remember which one it was. There's no black cursor, unfortunately. Which one is it actually that does the thing? Variations. It's busy. It's in the busy crap. Bros. Okay, well, still don't tell me. Oh, it's counter. It's gonna be counter. I'm stupid. So it tests, see how long it takes. I guess it. So we're gonna go ahead and add this as the counter. Yeah, there we go. Server. We can add a server. Yes, I want to start the server service. The service name is invalid. Okay. Frick you too. Oh, it's in devices, you idiot. It's in okay, we need to change the so that doesn't need to be chord for everything. This can asterisk is chimes. Yeah. And this is ding, exclamation, exit windows. That one is probably like one of the best thingy. Oh, empty recycle bin. That's gonna stay that, I guess. But yeah. Hit apply. Hit OK. Hit the X button. Yeah, we got him. Oh wait, wait. Is there? Wait, there's no power option in the menu. I can't see the battery. Can I not see the battery? Control panel. No, it's not in there. Oh, you know what? It must not be in Windows NT. Oh, wait, UPC or UPS. Wait, no, that's going to be uninterruptible power supply. Okay. Telephony, tape devices. No tape device phone. Services. So yeah, no, this is again, it is way more complicated or sophisticated, complicated, same thing, than regular regular Windows, like Windows 95 consumer Windows. This is meant for like businesses and crap, and it's meant to be high efficiency, high performance. It's meant to get crap done, and that's pretty much all it's meant for, is to get crap done. However, first thing I want to do though is I want to go to Control Panel and create myself an account, which is going to be somewhere in here, I think. Where is the user management? Is it in here or is it not? Where is the user management? I forgot where the. Oh, you know what? It's in administrative tools. I bet it's in there. Yeah, sorry for the invert at the top of the display. That's how it is when you look at STN displays from the wrong way. It's like if you aren't looking at straight on, you're gonna get a little bit of that red cold cathode backlight. Here it is. User manager. Yeah, we're gonna add myself as a user. Okay, yeah, no, I'm overhyping this. I am overhyping this. Password never expires. Yeah. DV. I'm not putting my name there. Description. Password. Yeah, let's put my password there into groups. We want to, where's my mouse? There it is. Add, 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 add. Okay. And then this profile thingy. Okay. We can leave that. You can let it do it itself. There we go. So, start. Close all programs and log on as a different user. Why is it only 640? Okay. Control delete. Administrator. No. Chips. Screensaver? There's a screensaver on here? Oh, we got the maze! We got the maze! We got the maze! Oh god! Look at that! Oh yeah! Oh, look at that maze! Oh yeah, I want to see how that runs in high resolution. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Not full screen. Maximum size. Maximum size. High image quality. Hit apply. Hit apply. Preview. Oh, it's actually working. It's actually working. Oh, look at that. Look at that 3 FPS. Actually, it's more like 7 FPS, but still. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that soccer goal. Oh, yeah. No, she's pushing her. She is pushing her. Okay, let's go to the background, though. Blue Monday 16. Furry dog. Furry dog. What is this? What is this? What is a furry dog? Is that a dog? Is that it? Yeah, okay, it's a drawing of a dog. I was expecting it to be a picture of the dog. Or it's not, it doesn't even look like a dog. It does not look like a dog at all. WinNT. WinNT. Oh, yeah, look at that beautiful 16 colors. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, she is mint right there. Oh, oops. No, I don't want to change the pattern. I just want it to be like this. Bring my mouse up here to the top left. Got anything else? Zapatech. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that greatly improved it. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Windows NT Workstation 4.0. And that actually looks good. That actually, like, genuinely looks good. So, we are going to go ahead and see how long it takes, to... Actually, wait, I need to go into the boot INI and rename that here real quick. So, Windows 95, see, there should be a boot INI. Here it is. Here's the boot INI. Default C:\/ equals Microsoft Windows 95 build 450. Actually, so let's just change this to Windows 95 9R5 95. Save. Aw, what is read-only? No, I don't want to change it. Here, actually, first, though, view There we go. But, yeah. Properties. Not read only. Apply. Windows 95. And then, save. I don't think we're ever going to need the VGA mode. So, we can kind of just, like, get rid of that. Oh, base video SOS. I mean, we could install SOS mode on here. You could see what it's doing. You know, we might actually keep that. We might actually, yeah, you know what? We might as well keep that. It's not even gonna do anything. So Alt S, or not Control S. That does nothing. There's no Control S to save. Okay, well, whatever. I think Control S would actually be like a good thing to save. But let's go ahead and restart our computer. Shut down. Are you sure you want to shut down a computer? Yeah. So, shut it off, turn it on. "47 seconds. It's either 47 or 37. Or 47 or 43. But I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's actually really nice. So now we got to go ahead and add some crap to the start menu, like Microsoft Office and other crap like that. So yeah. Basically, all it's gonna actually wait. I'll do that off camera because I don't want to waste your guys' time with all this. I've already wasted 43 minutes of your guys' time installing this and screwing around with it. But you know what? At least it went more smoothly than the last one. And so yeah, let's see if actually you can see through the CD with the display. No, it's too dark. But yeah. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this 2 videos into one, basically. It's gonna be pretty much it's gonna be pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications to get notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.